Gym 3 is a kinetic work where the text moves on the screen. The work consists of 6 letters standing in a pyramid. The movement on the work shows a P turning into an R. The movements are repeating. The movement looks like persons being in a gym or an aerobic class. The people's or letters' movements are synchronized. The left foot are moving in and out from the body, and the right foot is static. The rounded area of the letter P and R looks like a belly or a head. Let's say the round area is a belly, and maybe it turns into nothing, or just a line when the letters have been to the gym for a really long time. The movements are the same throughout the work. The text or letters in this work cannot be changed through interactivity. There are no links to click. The only way someone can influence the work is that they can decide when to start viewing it and when to close it. The texts are being scheduled in a loop. After the foot has moved in and out from the body, it starts all over again. The name of the work makes it easy for the reader to interpret what the behavior of the letters are supposed to look like. The letter at the top of the pyramid can be interpreted as an aerobic instructor, and the letters at the bottom are maybe participants of the aerobic class. The participants or letters are doing the same movements as the instructor/top letter, just like in a real aerobic class. Gym 3 contains of just typography. The letters being used in a slab serif font with rounded edges. The serif on the bottom of the R and P can be interpreted as a shoe or a gym sock. The letters are displayed in black on a white background. This amplifies the simplicity of the work. The letters have a central justification in the window it is being displayed. The work is a GIF file. There are many kinds of software that can be used to make a GIF. One example is Photoshop. The GIF file was first introduced in 1987 and are still being used. A GIF is most often being used to make simple animations, just like this work, but also for graphics and logos. Because of its format, it is viewable in most browsers. It is possible to preserve the work by making it into an AV file or other movie files and have it burned on a CD or DVD. It is possible to download the work, but you cannot see the code or how it was made. Because of the name of the work, it is easy to only have one interpretation of the poem. If the title were something more abstract, it would be easier to have several interpretations. Maybe the poem tells the reader that it is important to exercise, though the people of Western countries are more overweight than ever. The repeated movement of the letters are one of the tools for achieving the author's goal. Another one is the simplicity of the work.